In this episode, I will repair the light gun for PlayStation 1. A few months ago, I found my working PlayStation 1 in my parents' home storage. It was the first time that I discovered that one of the Guncon light guns has a broken trigger. I disassembled it and took the measurement to create a 3D model in Tinkercad. When the printing was done, struggle a little bit with a metal spring over there. And after it was in place, I put back everything together. In order to test it, I had to find a CRT TV and connect the guns to the PlayStation. I chose to play the game called Point Blank, this is number one, because this way it was possible to test both of the guns together. Of course, the gun is working just fine with the new trigger. Because 3D printing is amazing.